Imagine a world where every cut is precise, every line is straight, and every project takes shape with astonishing ease. This world is no longer a dream thanks to the DEWALT XR Circular Saw, the technological gem that revolutionizes the realm of DIY and construction. It's not just a circular saw, it's a passport. XR, unmatched efficiency designed for craftsmen who refuse to compromise on quality. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours today. This circular saw is the ideal tool for construction professionals and demanding DIY enthusiasts, looking to make precise and efficient cuts with a robust and reliable tool. It is perfectly suited for those who value quality, durability, and versatility in their work tools. At the heart of this marvel is a fan-cooled watt motor equipped with replaceable carbon brushes driving a 165mm diameter blade, ensuring a constant cutting feed at an impressive depth of 55 meters. Imagine cutting through the toughest materials with the finesse of an artist. Every precise movement, every flawless cut. But what truly sets this circular saw apart is its robust design. With a magnesium alloy base and a fully metal blade guard, it is built to withstand the toughest conditions on the job site. This exceptional durability, combined with a 20-tooth carbide blade of 165mm, allows for fast, high-quality cuts, redefining industry standards. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Safety and control are paramount, which is why this circular saw is equipped with a new switch that offers intelligent speed variation along with an electric motor brake. The ergonomic grip enhances control and comfort, allowing users to work with precision and ease for hours. One of the most innovative features of this tool is its compatibility with the DEWALT XR range, which includes over 140 tools, whether you need to drill, cut, trim, or sand. The XR platform has you covered, offering unprecedented versatility and convenience. Imagine having an arsenal of tools all powered by the same battery, ready to take on any challenge that the job may present. This circular saw is delivered in a test-tech case without a battery or charger, allowing you to customize your setup according to your specific needs. With an idle speed of 3,700 revolutions per minute and a maximum cutting capacity of 50mm at 2010, this circular saw is a true versatile worker, capable of tackling any project, big or small. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The reputation of DEWALT has been established since 1920. DEWALT designs, manufactures, and markets robust, durable, and powerful machines for demanding professionals. Choosing DEWALT means opting for innovative and relevant solutions endorsed by millions of professionals around the world. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. The number one advantage is a powerful and efficient motor. The fan-cooled motor provides a consistent cutting feed and high work efficiency. Advantage number 2, exceptional durability. Designed with a magnesium alloy base and a fully metal blade guard, it withstands the tough conditions of job sites. Advantage number 3, high quality cuts. The 24-tooth carbide blade ensures fast and clean cuts, enhancing the quality of the finished work. Advantage number 4, increased safety and control. Equipped with an electric brake and a new switch for intelligent speed variation, providing better control. Advantage number 5, compatibility with the XR range. It allows the use of the same battery with over 140 tools from the brand, offering great versatility. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. The number one drawback is weight. Weighing 2.9 kilos, it can be considered heavy for long periods of use. In conclusion, the DEWALT XR Circular Saw is much more than just a tool. It is an extension of your will to create, build, and repair with precision and unwavering reliability. If you are ready to take your construction or renovation projects to the next level, click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and discover hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Don't miss this opportunity to transform the way you work. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.